Isis, happy birthday! You like birthday? Yeah? You like birthday? Yes!
Yes.
Yes! You want cake? And ice cream?
Yes.
And birthday presents? All right. Isis, look at cake.
Look at cake.
Over there, go look at it.
Look at it.
Go look at it. Come on.
Come on.
Let's go look. Look at your cake.
It's Mario Brothers.
Yeah, Mario Brother cake. Wow.
Happy
Birthday,
birthday,
Isis.
Open it. Open it. Open it. Open present. Open present. Things I do.
Yes, things Elijah does. What is it? What is it, Isis? Isis, what is it? Open it! Open it! Look. Open it! Tear it open!
Isis.
Oh.
Sorry. Oh, Isis.
What is it, Isis? Look! Is that a computer?
For Isis.
Is that a computer for Isis? Wow!
Yeah, come on.
Go click on it.
Oh my goodness, it's for Isis. All for you, Isis. It's Isis's computer.
Dad, must I come out? Take this. She's gonna take. She's gonna take baby food.
Here's your Google. Here's your Google screen, Isis.
Food. No.
Super Mario Land.
Isis's computer.
Whoa! We got the Super Mario Brother on there.
This is Isis's computer.
Oh, there he goes.
No. Why?
Because he freaks out.
Have a look. Wait, he does not. Menu. Pick menu. Good. Other way. Hurry, run other way.
See, it's not to be big, Isis, to get it. You're small. You need to be big to get it. You need to go get a big mushroom. Ready? Here, Isis, look.
Hey, Isis. Are you ready for your party? Here comes the cake.
Wait.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Isis.
You know you smell like a monkey?
Happy birthday to you. Now let's try one more time in key, guys.
Ready?
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha. You think like a
Happy
monkey?
birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday, dear Isis. Happy birthday to you. All right, Isis, blow up candles. Blow. Whoa, all right.
Yay!
Yay.
Awesome. Here's my present.
All right. Want?
Happy birthday, Isis.
Is that the cake? Is that the cake that you want, Isis? That big piece? Yes?
Okay.
Okay. You want ice cream?
I want this piece.
Look what I got. Strawberry ice cream. Yes.
I want
Yes.
this piece. Dad.
Okay, Mommy.
Dad.
Here's a fork.
Now here. Get that ice cream for that boy. Give him a big hunk of strawberry yogurt ice cream.
Dad, I want
Want the
this
strawberry?
piece. Yes.
Ooh.
Dad, I want this piece.
You want that piece there, the one you put your finger in?
I don't want any
Okay.
ice cream, Mom. I don't want any,
Good strawberry ice cream.
but I don't want any.
With 10.
Okay, go for it, Isis. Eat the
Take
cake.
it. Eat the cake. You got the big chocolate.
You got a big chocolate baby.
Whoa.
Mom,
Oh!
can I go next? Can I go next? Mom,
There
can I
it
go
goes.
next?
Don't make me bet. I have a
All
knife.
right, Isis.
Dad?
cake, man.
I want the 10.
The gluten-free, GMO-free,
Sure.
organic Lipinski clan
Is going off the grid.
is going off the grid for one night.
We're going to the dark side.
And we're going to the dark chocolate
10.
side.
I want the 10. Give me 10. You cut up the
But I think
one.
Walmart uses real sugar.
That's only 0.
Sure.
I think they use cane sugar in this.
Sure, because Walmart is really.
Wow, look at that piece. Holy moly.
Want some real strawberry ice cream?
Wouldn't you want some of this, Daddy?
Elijah.
Yeah, I am. I'm going to eat
Want
the
some
rest of the
real-
cake
Yeah.
myself. What's left?
Elijah, do you want the real strawberry ice cream?
No.
I don't want any.
How is that cake, Isis? Isis, how is the cake?
Is it good?
Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, all
Stop
right,
it.
all
Stop it,
right.
Daddy. Stop it.
This is Sana.
Non-GMO.
Wow, look at that.
Non-GMO ice cream.
Oh, she's in her bliss. And this one here, oh my she's in her bliss. Oh my God.
But look at who bets I can eat this?
And then Elijah.
Who bets I can eat this in one bite?
One bite? I don't bet. I bet you can't eat it in one bite. I'll give you $1 if you can eat that one bite. Here we go. Here we go.
One bite. You have to shove it all in. Come on, shove it. This is Elijah's college years.
No, you gotta get the whole thing in your mouth.
You have to get all your
Oh God, he's gonna no good. Forget it.
Elijah's
It's
college.
turning blue.
Elijah's college
Turning
years.
blue. I can't film anymore. Okay, you can spit it out.
Elijah's
No.
gonna
No.
do it. Eye of the tiger. He did it.
Oh my God, I owe him $1.
Oh, holy moly.
No, he hasn't swallowed it yet.
Just do the other piece now.
It should be a commercial. Don't make him laugh. Don't make him laugh. It's serious business. Water.
Something water.
Filming because I am going to have my chocolate cake and ice cream.
I don't want mom.
He owes me $1. This is on recording, right?
Yes, it is. Okay, I owe you.
Just make sure he owes me $1.
Say happy birthday to your brother.
Happy birthday, bro.
I'm doing fine. I am
You
doing
gonna
fine.
eat that whole chocolate cake?
Yes, I am, sir.
That looks good.
Yes, I am.
Well, thank you for the cake. now.
Hey. I am going to eat it.
Okay.
She didn't even put it.
What? This is what. Okay. If you ever understand this,
Wait.
this is what I feel about when I take care of you and you're freaking out.
Up. Bad. Go take this. Go take.
I'm
the
just
baby.
kidding. Well, I'm just
Made
kidding.
him a better man. Say
But
thank
but
you.
but when you
Say thank you,
but when
Star.
you grow up, bro, you better thank me.
Say thank you, Star. Isis made him a better.
Idea.
I love you, bro.
My name is
So
2,
Elijah.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
I gotta get him.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 10 seconds, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30! There it is, folks! There it is!
Combine with friends to make special candies. With deliciously tasty puzzles to solve, Candy Crush Saga is free to play. Search for it on Facebook, Android phones, or
Our talking to me.
social launch yourself and play Candy Crush Saga.
It's our talking to me. Are you copying me?
Skincare brand is so good.
Just kidding.